Alright, so that was an epic fail. What's going on, guys? Dan with Right Now Powder Coating here with another quick video for you guys. We're going to do it's not really a special effect, but it's kind of a different twist on powder coating. We've got a customer who saw one of our Nebula wheels and he wanted to do something special for his Mini Cooper of all things. So we painted these wheels white. It's about a 50% cure, so we put it in the oven and let it bake at temperature for about half the time. And the reason I do that is I don't want the white to mix with the top coat that we're about to put on it. This is an Illusion Orange that we're going to use this technique on. So we'll bring you in and show you. We're going to put this on here as kind of a splatter, and then we're going to do a top coat with a clear coat. So let's give it a go. I've never done it with an Illusion, so we'll see how it works. So we've got our Illusion Orange here, and what we're going to do is we're going to pinch just a little bit of it. We're going to kind of throw it at the wheel. So the nice thing about this is there's no perfect way to do it, and the reason you want to heat it up is there's no ground on it, so the powder's not going to be attracted to it, and this will help it just kind of stick before we do a quick gel out. So you don't get more than one shot at this, so you got to be careful. So we got a little bit there. With wheels like this, you're going to want to throw it from every angle just to kind of get it in there. But we don't want to get way too much. So I think I'm going to call that good. And then we're going to put it back in the oven and try and get a little bit of a cure on it. And I don't know what this is going to look like. When we did the Nebula wheel, we used a bunch of different colors. We had a gloss black base. And so we'll see what happens here. We're going to put it in. We're going to let it gel out just for a little bit because you got to do it the same way you would do an Illusion color. So once it gels out, we'll wait about 3 minutes. Pull it out, let it cool. We're going to hang it back up on the rack, put our clear coat on it, and see what it looks like. If it's not good, we'll just strip it and figure out what to do from there. Alright guys, so here's what they look like after gelling out. And if you've ever done an Illusion color, you know that it should kind of look more like that little dot in the middle until we change colors. It's not really showing up on camera, but it's kind of a silver. So I don't think this is going to work at all, like down in that cracks, right? Because I think you have to have enough of the powder for it to actually do what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to go nuts and throw a bunch more powder on this thing and just go for it. Like I said, worst case scenario, we strip them down and tell the owner it didn't work and try something else. All right, so that was an epic fail. It did kind of sort of come out like it should look, but over the white it kind of just looks like junk. So I'm gonna take a picture, send it to the owner, and let him know I don't like it. Maybe he will, but I don't. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these in the stripper. We're gonna get them totally bare. We're gonna powder coat them that orange is what I'm gonna recommend, and then do the white on top. So I think it reacted the way it's supposed to react, but I just don't think it's the pop he wants, which on the same, because it actually looks kind of cool, but with the white under it, it kind of looks like someone threw up over it. So we just got to figure out what look he's going for. I don't like it. I don't think we should use an illusion. We should probably use like a Chevy orange or something like that. And maybe that's what I'll recommend. So stay tuned. Let's see what the heck's going to happen. Okay. All right, guys, so we are back, day 2 on these wheels. As you can see, they're stripped, and we're going to go ahead, we're going to lay the orange down, do a full coverage of that, and then we're going to try the white splatter. So we'll see how that turns out, because I did not like that other look at all. All right, guys, as you can tell, I am not wearing shorts and a t-shirt. It's April, almost a full year, well, 9 months after we took that original video. But what happened was a customer called us while we were putting that orange on, decided not to do a splatter white, just liked the orange the way it was. So you're going to see us clear that right now, and then we're going to show you guys some photos. What we were originally going to splatter was something more like this. There's a video, if you go look for it, that we did at Wheelin'. The guy just loved it. He thought it was super unique and super cool. And we used the same technique to throw the powder at this, and then we used a little different technique for the white to get it to look like the stars. So what we were going for, I tried to talk him out of it, and in the end it cost us a little extra time, but he was willing to pay for it. So just let your customers know, hey, we can try stuff. We don't know how it's going to work if we've never done it, but never hurts to try, have a little fun with it. So it's a really, really cool color. I think you're going to like it. Before you leave, give us that thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you would, check out our memberships at Patreon. Also here on YouTube, we support you guys back with information. You have direct contact to us. You can ask us questions. We're going to get back to you for sure. We can't keep up with all our messages that we're getting emails for and we're getting on these videos. So we'll definitely make sure we answer your questions if you're a member. We're also going to be doing giveaways, so you don't want to miss out on that. It's going to be a lot of cool stuff. So check it out. Give us that like. Make sure to subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.